Most of us take pride in our cars, seeing them as essential tools for convenience and freedom. But what if your everyday driving habits are slowly damaging your vehicle without you realizing it? From small, seemingly harmless actions to bad habits many drivers share. These mistakes can lead to costly repairs and shorten your car's lifespan. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 everyday driving habits that are secretly destroying your car and how you can avoid them to keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. If you're passionate about maintaining your car's health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more valuable automotive tips. Let's get started. 10. Riding the brakes downhill. It might seem natural to keep your foot on the brake while driving downhill, but this habit can cause significant damage over time. Constantly applying the brakes generates heat, which can lead to brake fade, reducing their effectiveness. Over time, this heat can warp the brake rotors and wear out brake pads prematurely, leading to costly repairs. Instead of riding the brakes, try shifting into a lower gear when descending hills. This method, known as engine braking, reduces strain on your brakes and gives you better control over your speed. By adopting this technique, you'll not only extend the life of your braking system, but also drive more safely in steep terrain. 9. Ignoring the check engine light. The check engine light is one of the most misunderstood indicators on your dashboard. Many drivers see it as a minor inconvenience and ignore it, assuming it's a glitch or an issue they can address later. However, this light is your car's way of alerting you to potential problems that could escalate if left unchecked. Whether it's a loose gas cap, a failing sensor, or a more serious engine issue, ignoring the check engine light can lead to expensive repairs down the line. A minor problem, like a faulty oxygen sensor, can reduce fuel efficiency, while more significant issues can result in engine damage. If your check engine light comes on, it's essential to diagnose the issue promptly. Many auto parts stores offer free diagnostic services, so there's no excuse to let this warning go unchecked. 8. Revving the engine when it's cold. On a chilly morning, revving your engine might feel like a quick way to warm it up, but it's actually doing more harm than good. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't yet circulated to all the moving parts. Revving the engine creates additional strain on these components, leading to premature wear and tear. Modern engines are designed to warm up quickly through regular driving. Instead of revving the engine, start your car and let it idle for a minute or two before driving gently. This approach ensures that the oil has a chance to circulate, protecting your engine from unnecessary damage. 7. Driving with a heavy load constantly. While cars are built to carry passengers and cargo, consistently overloading your vehicle can take a toll on its suspension, brakes, and tires. A heavy load increases the strain on these components, leading to faster wear and reduced fuel efficiency. Over time, the added weight can also impact your vehicle's drivetrain, potentially causing issues with the transmission. To avoid these problems, check your car's weight limits in the owner's manual and avoid carrying unnecessary items. By lightening the load, you'll improve your car's performance and extend its lifespan. 6. Riding the clutch in manual cars. For drivers of manual transmission vehicles, riding the clutch is a common habit that can cause significant damage. Keeping your foot on the clutch pedal while driving, even lightly, keeps the clutch partially engaged, leading to excessive wear on the clutch plate and flywheel. This habit can result in slipping, reduced performance, and the need for costly clutch replacements. To avoid this, use the clutch only when necessary, and keep your foot off the pedal when you're not actively shifting gears. Proper clutch usage can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and ensure a smoother driving experience. 5. Running low on fuel frequently. Many drivers wait until the fuel gauge is near empty before refilling their tank, but this habit can have unintended consequences. The fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. Running on low fuel levels can cause the pump to overheat and fail prematurely. Additionally, dirt and debris can settle at the bottom of your fuel tank over time. When you run on low fuel, these contaminants are more likely to be drawn into the fuel system, potentially clogging filters and injectors. To protect your fuel system and avoid costly repairs, make it a habit to refuel when your tank reaches a quarter full. This simple change can extend the life of your fuel pump and improve your car's reliability. 4. Using the wrong type of oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, and using the wrong type can have serious consequences. Each engine is designed to work with a specific viscosity and type of oil, as outlined in your owner's manual. Using oil that's too thick or too thin can affect lubrication, increase wear, and reduce efficiency. For example, using conventional oil in an engine that requires synthetic oil can lead to sludge buildup and reduce performance. Conversely, using oil with the wrong viscosity can result in poor circulation, especially in extreme temperatures. To avoid these issues, always check your owner's manual for the recommended oil type and stick to it. Regular oil changes with the correct oil can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. 3. Ignoring tire maintenance. Your tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road, yet they're often overlooked. Neglecting tire maintenance, such as failing to check tire pressure or skipping rotations, can lead to uneven wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and even blowouts. Driving with underinflated tires increases rolling resistance, causing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. On the other hand, overinflated tires can reduce traction and make your ride less comfortable. Uneven tire wear can also compromise handling and safety. To keep your tires in top condition, check their pressure monthly, rotate them every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and inspect them regularly for signs of damage. Proper tire maintenance not only extends their lifespan, but also ensures a safer, smoother ride. 2. Hard acceleration and braking. Aggressive driving habits like flooring the accelerator or slamming on the brakes can take a significant toll on your car. Hard acceleration puts extra stress on the engine, transmission, and drivetrain, while sudden braking wears out brake pads and rotors prematurely. These habits also reduce fuel efficiency, costing you more at the pump. Over time, the repeated strain can lead to costly repairs, including transmission and brake replacements. To minimize wear and tear, adopt a smoother driving style. Gradual acceleration and gentle braking not only reduce stress on your car, but also improve fuel economy and create a more comfortable ride. 1. Skipping regular maintenance. At the top of the list is perhaps the most damaging habit of all, neglecting regular maintenance. Skipping oil changes, ignoring fluid replacements, and delaying tune-ups can lead to a cascade of problems that compromise your car's reliability and lifespan. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your vehicle running at its best. Oil changes ensure proper lubrication, coolant replacements prevent overheating, and routine inspections catch potential issues before they become major repairs. Following your manufacturer's maintenance schedule can save you thousands of dollars in long-term repair costs. Many drivers overlook maintenance because it seems inconvenient or expensive, but the cost of neglect is far greater. Investing in routine care is the best way to protect your car and enjoy worry-free driving. These 10 everyday driving habits might seem harmless, but over time they can cause serious damage to your car and lead to expensive repairs. By recognizing and correcting these behaviors, you can extend your vehicle's lifespan, save money, and ensure a safer driving experience. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car care tips and automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.